Wow. So, I haven't gotten into the view in the lift. Oh, really? Only follows me 73. But he's not opening. Because he was very, very, very funny. Ha 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 ha. Because the door sounds like a bank door. Ha 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 ha. That lift was so funny. Other day we were going here and we found the building 73 up and we are filming over there the lift. Oh, okay?
Tú no entiendes que yo...
So, and the reason why my dear voice got changed to Eric because I have a copy of WeatherStar 4000 video. So we can cross the street. Thank you. Well, there's no place. I got another here. Well, that was the end. So, the next Friday I'm going over there. The others, the places where I'm filming the least in building 77 and building 75 because I'm not filming the lift in building 73. So building 73. Okay. No.
Para que lo pusiera a ver si tú sabes hacerlo, los programas. En tu ordenador no se puede meter una cosita así, no se puede
No.
poner. ¿Eh?
Because it can't hit the virus.
Que tiene que ser el ordenador.
No.
La tablet también se puede poner, ¿no?
Yes.
Pues dile a la mamá que te lo dé.
But it can get him a virus and it can get the blue screen of that. So that's why I'm not going to depend on my computer. So that's the end.